Let's end the question word week with some purpose or essence, because Master Azerbaijani word of the day has NÄDİR. NÄDİR. NÄDİR is what is or what is it? Now, we're going to see some phrases and then some sentences. Maybe not so simple sentences, but let's see phrases first. What's the purpose? Məqsəd nədir? Məqsəd, purpose. What's the difference? Fərqi nədir? Fərq, difference. Fərqi, the difference. What's the situation? Situation, vəziyyət. Vəziyyət nədir? These are very daily used sentences. I highly recommend knowing. Məqsəd nədir? Fərqi nədir? Vəziyyət nədir? Now sentences. Bu yeni layihədə sizin əsas hədəfiniz tam olaraq nədir? Bunu bilmək istərdik. Ready to break it apart and know what does this mean? We would like to know exactly what is your main goal in this project. Now, we would like to know. Bunu bilmək istərdik. Well, bunu here is this actually. But you know, you don't translate sentences word for word. You translate the essence, the intent of it. But in this case, so we would like to know. Bunu bilmək istərdik. So what is it? This that you want to know is here. Bu yeni layihədə, in this new project. Layihə, project, layihədə, in the project. Bu yeni, this new. Sizin əsas hədəfiniz, your main goal. Hədəf is goal, sizin, your əsas main. Tam olaraq, exactly, nədir? What is? Bunu bilmək istərdik. So this is what they want to know. Bu yeni layihədə sizin əsas hədəfiniz tam olaraq nədir? Bunu bilmək istərdik. We would like to know what exactly or exactly what is your main goal in this new project. Another sentence. Şəhərin mərkəzində tikilən o maraqlı binanın təqdimatı nədir? Bu barədə məlumatınız varmı? Now, did you see varmı? This mı is one of the question words. Whenever you see that, it means you're going to be asking a question. But let's see the meaning first. Now, do you have any information about what is the purpose or designation of that interesting building being built in the city center? Şəhərin mərkəzində, in the city center, tikilən, being built, or have been built already. It depends on the context what you will be asking. O maraqlı binanın, that interesting building. Təqdimatı, purpose, designation, nədir, what is, bu barədə, about this basically. Məlumatınız varmı? Do you have an information? Now, şəhərin mərkəzində tikilən of the interesting building being built in this city center. I'm translating portions for you. O maraqlı binanın, that interesting building, təqdimatı nədir? What is the purpose, designation? Bu barədə məlumatınız varmı? Do you have an information about? Şəhərin mərkəzində tikilən o maraqlı binanın təqdimatı nədir? Bu barədə məlumatınız varmı? Nice and fast. All right. That's one way of using. Let's see another fun way. My brain at 8 a.m. Nədir? All right. Maybe even 6 a.m., 7 a.m., same. But if you are interested in learning and mastering Azerbaijani, I have exactly that, Master Azerbaijani app and masterazerbaijani.com. We finished week nice and strong with some question words. If you are interested in knowing what's the next week's topic, please make sure to check and come back tomorrow. Cheers.